Today we talk about how can you add a bio on your app on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on go to profile, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so then you click here on about yourself here, so then here add about you and you click on save, so then it's going to save with you here. So then when you click here on Skype or save, then it's going to take you to another save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.